hope you had a great holiday. I apologize I haven't posted in a few days. If you follow me on other social media, you probably know my family is in town, so it's been kind of hard to struggle both, but today I'm getting some filming done. I'm super excited. I missed you guys. You guys have to let me know how you've been spending your holidays. But anyways, today we're going to open up the box by Fashionsta. This is the December box. So last month I posted a video and I kind of got some flack for it. I was talking about how, I don't know if it was going downhill or not, and some people were kind of upset with me, but you know, I just speak my mind and give my honest opinion. So we're gonna see if this month is any better. So the box is currently $19.99 per month, but next month they are going to increase their price, I believe, to $24.99. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure when I checked that's what it was. So sometimes a price increase, I know it's a bummer, like especially on our bank accounts and stuff like that, but sometimes that means the boxes will improve. So I am curious to see what changes come. But anyways, today we're going to do an unboxing and then I will try on anything I can. You can probably tell by how I look right now, but this is what the box looks like, the box of the box. And then inside, this is what I see. It says, warning, the contents of this box may cause extreme excitement. You have scored $80 to $150 worth of products you will enjoy and love. And then there is a card here that talks about all the items inside and also gives their prices. And then there's another card that talks about the charity they give to. I think that is great they do that. It's amazing. So every box purchase you help the 1736 Family Crisis Center. So I think that's amazing they do that. And everything is wrapped up in some tissue, so let's get started. So you can't really see what's in there. So they pack it pretty well so everything comes safely. Someone told me it sounds like I have an echo. I don't really get comments about that, but now that they told me that, I can totally hear it. So let me know down below. Do you guys hear an echo in my videos? Because that's something I obviously want to work on and improve if that is so. But anyways, the first item I see here is a facial scrub. So this we won't be trying on. We'll only be trying on makeup because I already have my base on. So this is a Rosy Cheeks facial scrub. This is 2 ounces. Doesn't say much in here, so we will read about it. So this is $12 and it says, this exfoliating facial cleanser with rose petals gently exfoliates and eliminates dead skin cells. The rosehip seed oil and Lang Lang essential oils are known for their anti-aging properties. This beautiful creamy texture leaves skin soft and clear and more radiant than ever. How to use: apply a small amount to the face and gently wash, remove with water and dry. I do like to use like a physical exfoliant like this, so a facial scrub like twice a week. So I'm curious about this one. So, oh, it does smell good. This is what it looks like. It is full to the brim, so it's a small size, but it is completely full. Yeah, so I'm excited to try this out. There are several alcohols in it, which I normally wouldn't like in my skincare items, but since it's just scrub or a wash, it doesn't like really stay on your face, so I will definitely give this a shot. If you guys have tried any of this already, let me know what you think, because I know I'm unboxing this a little bit later than others, so if you get this box, I'm sure you've already opened it and tried some things out. Next up we have something by Teami. We've gotten a few things by them. I've actually been using, I think the last thing we got was the Teami Vitamin C Serum, and then we also got like a face mask, but I really do like that serum. I've been using it. So this is the Teami Soothe Tea Infused Oil, Lavender and Sage. Wow, this is $40. It says, soothe facial oils infused with lavender, sage, and blue tansy oil to provide deep calming sensation to the skin. Oils are a pure form of moisturizer that seamlessly absorb into the deeper layers of your skin, leaving it soft, nourished, and glowing. Perfect for all skin types, made with 100% pure plant extracts and natural mineral ingredients. You will not find any harmful fillers, preservatives, or chemicals. So you're supposed to use the dropper, apply 3 to 4 drops, rub it in your hands to kind of get it warm so your skin will better absorb it, and then rub it in. So let's see what this looks like. At first I didn't think the ingredients were on here, but the ingredient list is so short. That's amazing. So, you know, sometimes when you look at skincare, the list is so long. So yeah, this looks pretty good. There's some essential oils in there. I know some people don't like lavender essential oil on their skin. But I've never had any issues with it. Oh my god, wow, you can actually like see the the like what is it, lavender and sage inside it. So it really is tea infused oil. Can you guys see that in the bottom? Interesting, but it shouldn't come out in the dropper. I'm just gonna put a little bit of it on my hand. So it is like a light blue. So this is what the dropper looks like. I've had something with blue tansy in it before. I think my Sunday Riley night oil has a little bit of blue tansy in it, but when you rub it in on your skin, the blue goes away. It feels nice. It smells very earthy. So yeah, I'll definitely give this a shot and keep you guys updated in the future. Next up, this is interesting. This is a CBD pain reliever bath bomb, eucalyptus and peppermint. So this has 35 milligrams of CBD in it. And this one bath bomb is $12. CBD products are expensive. I've gotten CBD boxes in the past, but that seems like a lot for just this little ball, but if it really helps. What is it supposed to do? Let's see. It says, wash away the stress of the day in pools of refreshing eucalyptus and mint. The graceful combination of Epsom salt and coconut oil dances away aches and dry skin. Meanwhile, wintergreen and peppermint oil quiet your stress. Use one bath bomb in a tub of warm water to soothe your body's stresses. Wow, if that helped with aches and stuff, and also was good for skincare, that'd be awesome. So I'll try this out. I have taken a bath recently. I was on a big hiatus from baths just because it's been so hot here in Florida. It's cooled down a teeny bit, so I'm back in bath mode a little bit. So all skincare, but I think there's one more skincare item, so let's talk about that and then move on to the makeup that we will be trying. So there is a sheet mask in here. This is by 1520, hydrating, good vibes only, hyaluronic acid, collagen, glacier, and seawater mask. So sheet mask here. And on the back it says step 3. It says how to use, cleanse and dry face, smooth it over. So pretty much just use it like a sheet mask and leave it on for 15 minutes. So this sheet mask is $7. It says 1520 is all about an effective and reliable skincare and beauty regimen that seamlessly fits into your routine. They are dedicated to providing customers with high quality products and unparalleled results. Their customers have fallen in love with their glow and radiance thanks to 1520. Enjoy this face sheet mask from their essentials routine, which includes all natural dried biocellulose. It is the softest material and 4 times stronger than plant cellulose and retains 200 times its dry weight in water, staying moist throughout the entire process. All right, I'll definitely use this. I use sheet masks fairly often. I actually used one today after I showered, so I don't mind getting those. Even though I know sheet masks are kind of wasteful for the environment, so I want to start using other masks more often, but it's okay. Next up, something is in bubble wrap. Let me get this out. So it says Crescent Moon. Oh, I like the packaging on here. This is by Cos Cosmetics 4-color eyeshadow. So this is a quad. It's in a sleeve, so let's get this out. So the packaging matches the outer sleeve. Ooh, one of my shades is a little broken. There's a little mirror in here, so it looks like they're all shimmers and the glitter Ophelia is kind of broken. I think I saw on Instagram that people were saying that they got something broken, but I tried not to pay too much attention to it because I didn't open my box yet, but mine is fine. I can totally press that back. You can just see it's shifted around a little bit, but yeah, I'm not upset with that. So yeah, these are all glitter shades. So we'll use this today. I might need to grab another palette and then put one of these shimmers on the lid. We will see what we do with this, but here are the shades. Let me do some swatches. Oh, they feel really nice. Oh, wow. So here are 3 of them. Look at that. These are pretty. I don't know if I've ever heard of Cos Cosmetics. Oh my god, they swatch like butter. I've never felt swatches go on that way. They're so soft. Crazy. So now let me try that glitter. Let me clean off my hands a little bit. So here's the glitter. I kind of just patted down. It's interesting. These are all so soft. They all swatch well. So that is like a glitter topper more so, I'd say. But I'm definitely excited to use some of these today. So let's talk about, wait, I didn't even give you the pricing or anything. So the Crescent Moon eyeshadow quad is $45. Wow, this formula does feel really unique. I'm excited to try it out. But it says Crescent Moon Palette Rich Duochrome Shades, Heavily Pigmented Diamond and Shimmer Shadows. Shades included are Calypso, New Moon, Zenith, and Ophelia. Ooh, they definitely are duochrome. Like the blue shade kind of shifts purple. I don't know if you guys can see that. The black has like some blue shimmers in it, and the pink doesn't really seem like a duochrome. Yeah, that blue definitely is. These are cool. $45, wow. Okay, let's talk about the last product so we can get to the try-on. The Glow Getter Highlight Palette by Cara Beauty. Has some plastic overwraps. Let me get that off. So this has a sleeve, so toss that. Ooh, wow, there's 6 shades in here. It comes with a protector. There's a mirror as well. So this is what the shades look like. This is $15. It says, are you a glow getter or are you a go-getter for better glow? These 6 shades will have you shining from across the room. These highlighters are meant to serve looks. These shades are precisely picked. You can start from any shade and onto it from the Super Glow. You glow, girl. Cool. So some look like they might be more like blush topper shades for me, but I think these look pretty, so let's... Ooh. So here are some. So those look nice. So we will try on one of these. Let me swatch on my arm and see what one I want. Yeah, I'll probably go with like the lighter shade. Let's swatch these darker ones. Oops, I think I accidentally swatched one twice, but let me show you. Hopefully you guys can see I'm kind of standing away from the viewfinder, but I'll probably go with like one of the lighter shades just because I am so fair. Like these darker shades, I'm sure they work beautifully on a deeper skin tone. I could probably use them as a shadow or, like I said earlier, a blush topper. So that was everything in our box. It seems like we got more items and I'm definitely happier with it this month. And I'm not just saying that because I got some hate last month, but yeah, I'm excited to do the try-on portion. How about we start with highlighter? Where is the... I seriously just swatched it and can't find it. So I'm gonna go with that like light pink shade in the corner there. Cara Beauty, I think this is another brand I'm not familiar with. I think that's pretty. Wow, $15 for 6 of these and a mirror, that's not bad. Yeah, so far I like this. I will have to check out the other shades, but I like that one I tried. And now on to the shadows. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So, man, those swatches are so cool. I never really wear like blue shadows or anything like that, but we might have to try it out today. I think I'm gonna grab another palette just to put like a transition color in my crease. I'm just such a creature of habit. I feel like I need that. I have this Tarte palette just sitting here on my desk, so I'll probably just use something from this. I got this, where did I get this from? Oh no, my memory's so bad. So many boxes. I got it from the Tarte mystery bag. Wow, that took me like 30 seconds to remember. And it's the Tarte mystery bag and this is a Tarte palette. Like I should have correlated those, but anyways, so yeah, I'm just gonna put something in my crease. These swatch so beautifully. I wonder how they're going to apply with a brush. It doesn't say anywhere if like you should use your fingers or a brush, so you can probably use both, but we will see. I didn't deepen out my outer corner like I normally do first. I'm just gonna go in, I think, with this blue shade. Oh my god, I never used shades like this, and put that on my lid and we'll go from there. And I'm gonna start off with the brush. It's definitely less pigmented with the brush. I'm not experiencing any fallout that I can tell right now. Oh wow, I just put some and it like looked purple. Like I totally get that shift. Like oh my, each time I dip in it looks like a different color. Oh, there is a little fallout, but that's okay. I'll clean it up when I'm done. I hope you guys can see on camera. I think this is so pretty. This is fun to play with. Like, it would be fine just like keeping it like this probably, but I think I'm gonna use that darker like New Moon shade in the outer corner and just see how that looks. Yeah, these look good together. I'm loving this. So this is what it looks like now. I think it looks good. Hopefully it's translating well. I think I might just like tap on some of that Ophelia like glitter topper shade over it, just so we can get as much use out of these shadows as possible. Oh yeah, I think that does create a pretty effect. So this look is like totally different for me, but I'm kind of loving it. So I'm gonna finish up my eyes off camera. I'm just gonna like put on mascara, eyeliner, and stuff like that. And then, yeah, let's wrap up this video and talk about, is this box better? Is this box worth it? All of that. All right, I am back. So off camera, I added up the total of the box. So we received $131 worth in product, which I think is great. Again, I paid $19.99 for this box, and I would say this box is definitely better than last month. There were some products last month like that lipstick I would never use, but I will actually use every item in this box. So I am very happy that this box is better. Definitely not going to unsubscribe or anything like that, but let's just do a quick recap. So we have the Teamy Soothe Tea Infused Oil. My favorite item, the Crescent Moon palette. So this look is like extreme and something I would normally never wear, but I'm like excited to play with these shadows some more and like use it with other palettes and stuff like that. We got the Cara Beauty Glow Getter highlight palette. To be honest, I don't usually reach for highlight palettes, but I like how it looks. It's pretty, it's like kind of subtle, like not too much, which is perfect for daily use. So I'll have to try the other shades, but yeah, not bad. We have a sheet mask by 1520 I will definitely try out. And then the CBD bath bomb I'll use as well. I'm probably gonna save it for a day like I'm feeling achy. And then the Rosy Cheeks facial scrub, which I will definitely use once I need a new facial scrub. I have one open already, but yeah, overall I think this was a good month. You guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here in unboxing with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.